Hello student, today we are going to learn electric field due to an electric dipole at an axial line. Okay, so we are going to find electric field due to the electric dipole. So we know plus and minus, this we can call it is a with a smaller distance we can call it a electric dipole. The distance between plus and minus, it will be a 2L. The distance between the two dipole, we can take it as a 2L. From center we can take it as a L. So axial line, the axial line is the point here. Equatorial line, the point will be here. So this is a question we are going to learn. What is the electric field produced due to the electric dipole at an axial line? So here we are going to find how much electric field is created. Okay, from the plus, electric field will be pointing outwards. That one we can call it is the E1. Okay, so minus, the electric field is going to point towards. Okay, so we can take it as a minus, it's a negative side, E2. From plus, the electric field will be outwards. From minus, the electric field is pointing towards. Okay, so this is, we can call it is a A, this we can call it is a B. From the B, at the point P, test charge. So this is the distance we have to measure. So from the center, so I am taken, this is the length of R. So always the test point length we are going to take as a R. Okay, so that means from B to P, R minus L. So distance between B to P, R minus L. From A to P, we can get as a R plus L. So from here to here, R. From here to here, R minus L. From here to here, R plus L. Okay, so now we got the length of BP is the R minus L, AP is the R plus L. Okay, so then we know electric field is equal to force per unit charge. So force is a Coulomb's force. So 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R square divided by Q naught. So Q naught here representing as a test charge. So Q naught get cancelled. So we will get it as a 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. R is representing as a distance. Okay, from here the distance will be R minus L. From here the distance will be R plus L. Okay, so I am going to measure what I am going to tell you how we can write E1 and E2. E1, electric field produced at the side of B. Okay, E1 is produced due to the plus charge. Okay, so it's pointing outwards. E1 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. R square is, R is a distance. Okay, so R square is a distance between from here to here. The distance R minus L whole square. Okay, again what is E2? E2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R plus L whole square. Okay, so we got E1 and E2. Okay, so we are going to find E net. E net is a E1 minus E2. So why I wrote E1 minus E2? So because B is closer to the test charge, so it is going to be the stronger. So E1 will be stronger than E2. Okay, because plus is closer to the test charge. So E1 minus E2. Otherwise you will get the value will be in a negative. If you are taken E2 minus E1, the answer you will get it as a negative. Okay, so now hereafter I think no need diagram. So as we know, E1 is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R minus L whole square 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R plus L whole square. So Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught is a common, take outside. Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught I am taken outside. That means 1 divided by R minus L whole square, 1 divided by R plus L whole square. So now we should do the cross multiplication. I am bringing this as a here, this as a here. So Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. It's a R minus L whole square, R plus L whole square. It is R plus L square whole square minus R minus L whole square. As we know, A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square. So we are going to get Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So A plus B formula we know already. A square plus B square plus 2AB. It's A minus B, so A square plus B square minus 2AB. Again denominator R square minus L square whole square. Because it is A minus B, it is A plus B. So A minus B whole A square minus B square whole square, because both having the whole square. Okay. So this minus, now I am going to take it inside. So that means minus R square minus L square plus 2RL. So we are going to get the equation E net. The resultant E value will be Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus L square plus 2RL minus R square minus L square plus 2RL divided by R square minus L square whole square. So this is the equation I got. So this minus sign I am taken as the inside. So minus R square minus L square plus 2RL. So R square get cancelled. L square get cancelled. So 2RL we will get as the 4RL. So Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 4RL divided by R square minus L square whole square. So one more thing I want to tell you. So L will be, it's a very negligible compared to the R. So L is the it's a distance between the half of the distance between the electric dipole. It's a minus, it's a plus. So HCl is the one of the example. Okay, from center it is a L. It's a very small distance. L will be small. L square will be very small. It is a negligible. That means L square will be the negligible. So whole equation we will get it. E is equal to E net is equal to Q. It's a 4, I am going to write as a 2 into 2RL 4 pi epsilon naught R power square we will get it as a 4 times. L it's a very small, we can write it's a negligible. Okay. So 2QL, it's a dipole moment. So I am going to change that as a dipole moment. R power 4 is getting cancelled. So you will get it as a R cube. 2QL will be the dipole moment, and one more 2 is there, 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. So this going to be the P. 2 times of dipole moment divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. It's a electric field due to a electric field present due to the axial line. Okay. So this is the equation for board exam. It's a very important, whether it's a state board or CBSE. This equation you should read, okay, for your board exam. Thank you.